Hi guys, welcome to Memos Tutorials. Today we have a different question. We are still doing our sequences, by the way, but today we have been asked to calculate the 50th term. It can be the 100th term or the 26th term. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate the 50th term or any other term that you cannot really write down in your book, till you get to a 50. Obviously you take maybe the whole 2 hour, the whole 2 hours trying to answer that question. So today I'm going to show you how to calculate the 50th term. Okay, it can be any other term, so you just need to use the same procedure that I'm going to show you today. Okay, so on today's sequence we have 21, 16, 11, 6, 1. Okay, so the first term is a 21, second term 16, third term 11, fourth term 6, and then fifth term it's a 1. And they've asked us to calculate the 50th term. Obviously we're not going to continue with the pattern till we get to 50. That will take almost all of our time. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to first calculate the nth term. So what's happening in this particular sequence? From a 21 to a 16, from 16 to 11, what's the pattern? From 11 to a 6. Okay, we are subtracting a 5. 21 minus 5 will get a 16. 16 minus 5 will get 11. 11 minus 5 will get a 6. 6 minus 5 we're getting a 1. Okay, so we are subtracting a 5, so it's minus 5n. Now let's look for the what can make it true, to say if it's minus 5n, minus 5 times 1, I'll just get a minus 5, but my first term there is a 21. So what should we do to this minus 5 for us to be able to get a 21 as our first term, and a 16 as our second term, and 11 as our third term? Okay, so we are going to say minus 5 times 1 for the first term, okay, plus x should be equal to what? 21. Okay, so now let's look for the value. Let's calculate for x. What's the value for x? Minus 5 times 1, it's a minus 5, plus x is equal to 21. When we take this minus 5 the other side, we're going to get a plus 21, right? So it's x is equal to 21 plus 5. I meant we're going to get a plus 5. When the minus 5 goes the other side, we're going to get a plus 5. Okay, please take note of that. The minus 5 went the other side, so we have x is equal to 21 plus 5. What is 21 plus 5? It's a 26. Our value for x is 26. So our nth term is going to be equal to minus 5n plus 26. Minus 5n plus 26, sorry. Minus 5n plus 26. Let's check it if it's correct. How? If we say minus 5 times 2 for the second term, minus 5 times 2 will get a minus 10. What is minus 10 plus 26? It's simply 26 minus 10, which is a 16. Okay, the third one, if we say minus 5 times 3, we'll get minus 15 plus 26. What is 26 minus 15? We'll still get 11, meaning to say our nth term is correct. Okay, and then now let's move on to the 50th term. How are we going to calculate the 50th term? Since now we have our nth term, we're simply going to say minus 5 times 50, our n is a 50 now, plus 26. Okay, what is minus 5 times 50? 5 times 5 is a 25, so it's going to be negative 250 in this case, plus 26. Minus 250 plus 26. Okay, we will simply say 250 minus 26 like that. We'll give it a 10 there, then it's a 3. 10 minus 6, it's a what? 4. 5 minus 3, it's a 2. So it's 224. Okay, but our final solution will have a negative. It's a negative 224. Remember, your final answer must take the sign of the bigger number, right? So it's minus 224. If it was 250 minus 26, still your final answer was going to take the sign of the bigger number. It was going to be a positive 224. You must take note of that when you're subtracting your what? when you're dealing with the negatives, the negatives. Okay, so our final solution in this case is minus 224. That's our 50th term. Okay, our 50th term, it's minus 224. Hopefully you guys benefited from watching this video. For more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe and also to click the notification button.